Good morning, dear student. This is Nadia, class 8 science teacher. Today we'll start the bridge course through online. Students, be attentive, regular, and alert too. Student, you all know about the planets. Today in bridge course we will start the topic natural resources. What is mean by natural? Natural means from the nature. From the nature we can see lots of things. Many different kinds of things we can see. That things, that materials are called resources. So natural means nature. Supplied by natural means from nature. Resources means supplied by nature. The resources means things are materials. Resource means things are material supplied by nature. What is mean by natural resources means the things or materials occur in nature and it is useful for us. It is called natural resources. I'll write on the board what is mean by natural resources. What is mean by natural resources? Things that occur in nature and it's useful for us is called natural resources. Example, food, water, oxygen and temperature. Instead of oxygen, air. These are the examples for natural resources. Types of natural resources. Natural resources divided by two types, living resources and non-living resources. Living resources, examples forest and wildlife. Why we have to tell living resources means it's have the life. In forest you can see plants and animals together. Wildlife you can see the animals. So for that reason living resources. Non-living resources there is no life but we are deriving from the dead and decayed animal things or plant things. That divided into two types, renewable resources, non-renewable resources. What is mean by renewable means can able to renew again once again. That is renewable resources. Renewable resources once again divided into exhaustible and inexhaustible. Non-renewable resources divided into two types. For non-renewable resources, that's the example for fossil fuels and the minerals. Once again I recall, natural resources is divided into two types, living resources and non-living resources. Living resources means have the life, the resources having the life. For example, forest and wildlife. Forest means what will be present, plants and animals, it's have the life. Wildlife, animals will be present. So these are called living resources. Non-living resources, it don't have the life, we are getting from non-living. For example, renewable resources will get again and again. Non-renewable means once it will be depleted, it cannot get again. It will take more long time to produce. Renewable resources will be divided into two types, inexhaustible, inexhaustibles. Non-renewable resources, examples fossil fuels and the minerals. Now we'll see one by one detailing living resources. About the living resources. In the living resources, forest if we see, we can see the different types of plants with animals. Wildlife, that also is the animals, particularly animals we can see. From the forest we get the plant things, we get some things. Living resources, some natural resources have the life, some of the resources will derive from the living resources. Example, from the forest, plants. Example, from the plants we are getting timber. from the living resources. Forest, plants we are getting the timbers. Wildlife, from the animal we are getting the leathers.
Then
Now next is non-living resources. It don't have the life. We are deriving from the living things in that. In the two types, renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources means once it will be depleted by the nature or by the human interference, again we will get in that. Non-renewable resources, we will get, it's very non-renewable resources, once it will be depleted, it will be take more time, millions of years it will be take to produce the resources. Examples, fossil fuels. Fossil fuels means coal, petrol, petroleum products, etc. Minerals, the nature minerals what we are getting from the nature. That is. Now detailedly we are going to discuss about the renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Students listen. Renewable resources and non-renewable resources. What did I say? What is meant by renewable resources means the resources which once it will be renewable resources once depleted continuously will get in that renewable resources. For examples, you can see the pictures. Solar energy, we are getting continuously the energy from the solar, and biomass energy, that is because of the plants. Through the photosynthesis we will get the biomass gas, and hydropower energy, from the water we are getting continuously energies, and wind energy, continuous wind, air, in the air, and geothermal energy, even the geothermal, through the geothermal we get the energies. So these are the renewable energies. It won't be get over, continuously available for us. That is called renewable resources. Non-renewable resources, this once it will be depleted, it will be take more long time, sometimes millions of years also. Example, fossil fuels. I told you before the examples: petrol, petroleum products, coal. Then the nuclear energy. Even the nuclear energy also is a non-renewable energy. And then natural gas. Whenever the coal will be burned, by the time you will get enormous amount of natural energy. So this is the difference between renewable and non-renewable energy. Student listen, look at the picture. Difference between the renewable and non-renewable energies. And examples for the renewable energy and non-renewable energy. First, solar energy, biomass energy, hydropower energy, thermal energy, and wind energy. These are the energies. Energy, the fuel of life. These are the importance for our life. Non-renewable energy, fossil. Non-renewable energies we are derived from the dead and decayed plants and animal products. For example, fossil fuels, coal. These are we are getting derived from the dead and decayed animals. For example, millions of years ago the plants and the animals will die, and it will be get pressure and temperature. Then the coal and the fossil fuels will be formed. Like that, nuclear energy. Whenever the bomb blastings, will get the enormous amount of energy. That is the nuclear energy. Natural gas, it is whenever the coal will be burning, by the time we get the natural gas. Okay children, just we will review the topic what I taught for you. First we saw what is meant by natural resources. Once again I have to read. Students will review the class what I explained today. Meaning of natural resources. What is meant by natural resources? Things that occur in nature and useful to us is called natural resources. Then we discuss about the natural resources types. There are two types of the natural resources: living resources and non-living resources. In the living resources meaning I have told you, examples: forest, wildlife. In the forest we can say an example plants, and wildlife, animals. Non-living resources is again two types: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Examples for the renewable resources, I told you so many is solar energy, wind energy for the renewable resources. Non-renewable resources, I told you fossil fuels and the nuclear energy and coal, petroleum products. From the renewable resources, exhaustible and the inexhaustible. There are two types of renewable resources. Non-renewable resources, fossil fuels and the minerals. And then I explained you difference between and the examples for the renewable and non-renewable resources. I showed the pictures. I hope you all recollect that whatever I told you that. Student, listen. I'll give the assignment for the next session. You have to be make a list of living and non-living resources and paste the few pictures. Second, differentiate between renewable and non-renewable resources. Then do your assignment and file and preserve. Student, have given the assignment. Take 100 pages notebook. Do it in there and file and preserve. Submit on while teachers will ask the next session. Thank you.